AI lead generation, strategy, examples, practices, and more. AnyBiz. AI revolutionizes lead generation, making it more efficient, personalized, and scalable, enabling businesses to find leads quicker, personalize marketing messages, and gain actionable insights, ultimately enhancing effectiveness. AI transforms lead generation by automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data quickly, and scaling effortlessly. It enables sales teams to focus on strategy and relationships, identifies qualified prospects faster, and customizes messaging for individual clients. With AI, companies achieve more sales in less time, driving efficiency and effectiveness. AI revolutionizes lead generation, offering improved targeting, enhanced personalization, predictive analytics, scalability, and automation. Ideal for high-volume or targeted industries like B2B, tech, marketing, and finance, AI benefits businesses of all sizes, enabling swift customer identification, lead nurturing, and deep client insights. Top 7 best practices for AI-powered lead generation. 1. Align AI strategies with business goals for effective lead generation. Define objectives, prioritize them, and establish KPIs. Implement AI tools supporting goals for deliberate usage and optimal results. 2. Leverage AI throughout the lead generation funnel to optimize efficiency and quality. From prospect identification to lead qualification, nurturing, and scoring, AI streamlines the process, ensuring more effective lead pursuit and higher success rates. 3. Continuously optimize AI algorithms and models for ongoing effectiveness. Monitor results and insights, adapt tactics to market changes, and iteratively refine strategies for improved lead quality and conversion rates. 4. Integrating AI with existing systems ensures ongoing improvement. By monitoring campaign results and insights, you can adapt tactics to changing market conditions and customer needs. Continuous refinement of predictive models and prospect segmentation criteria ensures higher lead quality and increased conversions. 5. Seamlessly syncing AI tools with CRM and email platforms provides a comprehensive view of leads and automates repetitive tasks, boosting productivity and data analysis. 6. Invest in top-notch data for AI. Quality data fuels lead gen, keeps internal data clean, and enhances accuracy. Premium sources uncover trends, enrich customer profiles, and refine predictive models. Organized data fosters reliable AI recommendations. 7. Test different AI strategies with A/B tests. Measure success with metrics like click-through and conversion rates. Adjust strategy based on findings to enhance performance. AnyBiz redefines B2B lead generation with AI-driven sales agents, crafting tailored outreach and ensuring continuous engagement. Its smart decision-making optimizes strategies, while automated features streamline processes. With personalized messaging and seamless integration, AnyBiz maximizes efficiency and effectiveness. AnyBiz transforms lead generation with AI, boosting ROI, enhancing lead quality, and accelerating business growth. With multi-channel engagement and personalized strategies, AnyBiz elevates brand awareness and offers a smarter approach to closing deals. In essence, AI transforms lead generation, boosting engagement and producing high-quality leads. By automating tasks, it frees up salespeople to focus on building relationships. As AI evolves, it offers even greater precision and efficiency, ensuring businesses stay ahead in a rapidly changing market. Just before you go, take a moment to show your support. Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with our latest releases.